Hello, everybody. How are you doing today? It's your boy again, Funsho Samson, and I'm here to bring you good tidings and also to give you my regular update as far as I've gone with Cotp. As you all know, that I always like to appreciate all my subscribers, both old and new, for always showing love, always sharing my content, and always supporting. Just want to say a big thank you to you guys again. And for those of you that haven't subscribed yet, if this is your first time of watching any of our videos, this is the perfect time for you to hit that subscribe button. And if you like the videos and you want to stay connected and informed, hit the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever I drop new content. Okay, guys, so what do we have today? My 5th withdrawal. Sorry, I had to stress it because, my body, they always hot when it comes to withdrawing. When I'm putting in the money, when I'm doing the work, I'm very quiet. I'm always low key and all that. But when it's time to withdraw, when my fingers start becoming itchy, you know how it is? I love that moment. And this is that moment again where I'm going to be withdrawing my profit and continuing my trade with my initial capital. So for those of you who have used my link to register, feel free to get in touch with me if you want us to discuss, a strategy that will minimize your risk and maximize your profit. Okay, so having said that, guys, at the end of this video, I'm just going to quickly talk about a few things that you need to know about Cotp for those who are interested. But if you're not interested, as soon as I finished making my withdrawal, you can X out. Okay, guys, so just before I start now, just I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not your financial advisor. And every information I provide on this channel is just for educational purposes and to also carry you along my journey in the world of investment, trading, and let's call it whatever it is. So, okay, having said that, please, guys, don't invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. I hate to see people cry. I know it's good to take risks, but let's please take calculated risks and not be greedy. Okay, so very quickly, just going to take you through my process of withdrawal again. Okay, so how do we do it? This is the end of my 2 hours wait and all my funds are back into my wallet balance. So I'm just going to quickly make a withdrawal of 500 USDT and continue trading with my initial capital. Okay, so as you can see, I'm not a greedy man. There's another account that, my team and I are running. But, like I've always said, I don't like showing you guys accounts where we've invested huge amount of money because I don't want that to be your motivation. Invest any amount that you can afford to lose. I've said that again. Okay, so guys, very quickly, click on mine. Let's make this withdrawal. As you can see, my total asset is 1,513 at the moment. Okay, withdraw. And it's amazing, guys. It's amazing, when you actually, make a withdrawal and it hits your wallet in less than 2 minutes. It drives me crazy. It just gives me, that joy, that leap of joy in my belly, a butterfly in my belly. You know how it is. Okay, so let's go. Transaction password. Okay. So face recognition authentication. Okay, this wasn't there again the last time I withdrew, but they keep updating and upgrading their user interface. As long as it keeps my money safe, why not? Okay, start certification. Okay, the text message is in and time to put it in. So 453. And now all that's left for me to do is click the submit. Boom. Okay, so successful submission, confirm. Let's see how much I've got in my total asset left. Okay, guys, I don't know if you've noticed that I have actually withdrawn everything in my wallet balance, which will reflect in my wallet any moment from now. That was a mistake because I was trying to actually withdraw just 513, but I think I got too excited, and I'm sure you can all understand that. So what I'm going to do now is I will be recharging this account immediately. The money reflects. Yep, you can hear that. That is the money that has just reflected in my wallet. So I'll be sending back 1,000 USDT to make sure that I've got money to compete for trade again. So thank you guys for watching. If you have watched to the end, and a bit of information that I wanted to pass across to you guys. I'll probably have to do that in the next video because I need to quickly send this money back now and recharge. Okay, so keep an eye out for the next video. I'll see you guys. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed still, this is the perfect time for you to hit that subscribe button right now and the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever we drop new content. But from me, Funsho Samson, signing out, and let's keep winning.